I scare you?
No. What's with the sunglasses?
I redid my campaign posters.
More desserts in the cafeteria. You redid your poster for that? Oh, what's that smell?
That says even more about what I stand for, Lucas.
Okay.
There's some things you just can't communicate with words. Why isn't there a student on the board? If there was, we could get more money for after-school clubs.
We don't join. Besides, who cares? I mean, we're just gonna vote for Madison.
Now there's an alternative. Me.
Whatever.
Wait, what if we had independent study? You'd make up your own courses to suit your own way of learning.
So, we wouldn't have any homework.
No, you'd have more homework. But you wouldn't really have to do it if you didn't want to.
All right, cool. Hey, listen up. Trent might have a good idea. He's talking about no homework.